This is the best toy I've got in a long time. This is a Dokio kit, 4 100-watt solar panels with a charge controller, all the wires that you need, including these combiners, so you could start your first solar and understand how everything works. First, I'm going to give you some numbers, because numbers are important. I'm going to show you how much wattage I got out of him in the backyard, and then I'm going to come back and then give you a little bit more information as far as it goes. Here's my power bank charging from the Dokio ultra portable solar panels. So these are the super, very mega slim panels that I wanted to test out for a very long time. And these are 100 watts each, and it's in the middle of the winter in Vegas. So we'll see how much power they will be able to add into this battery bank today. And at solar maximum in winter, this is December 20th right now, they could deliver 319. The Dokio system comes with its own charge controller. So I'm not using this one because this battery backup has its own charge controller. So right now I'm using it directly from the solar panels. But it comes with its charge controller. This is a PMW. It comes with very, very long cables, and then you could connect directly to a normal battery, and then it has normal solar connection that are compatible with the panels themselves. It's December 19th. This is one of the shortest days of the year. Actually, 2 days from now on is the shortest day. I still got this power bank from 1% to 63% with those Dokio solar panels. The only problem is that the backyard is full of shadows because the sun is so low in the sky and it's not perfectly clear. But those panels can definitely fill this power bank up with no questions whatsoever. This is the final answer. We got to 78%, but actually the wind blew one of those off. They're specifically designed to be anchored somewhere, glued on or supported by something else. But they did very, very well. Worst day possible for solar. They did really, really good. This is a great solution for a van, or even if you want to play inside your apartment, or if you have a little bit of fun in the backyard, like I did. These are the ultra light solar panels. So these are flexible solar panels. They are frameless, so they are specifically designed to be super light, and you could hang them into the weirdest places. I put some in the window trying to run a fridge for a couple of days, and actually it worked. If you could find enough room in your apartment for all 4 of these in the window, you will be able to run your fridge. So if you want to get into the solar, you want to play around a little bit, you're getting about 1,000 watts worth of power over a big window that you're losing on a daily basis. If it's facing the sun, this is the best toy that you could buy to play with that kind of stuff. These are designed to be glued on or secured somewhere where the wind doesn't blow them. They could be glued on top of a flat surface that is not going to raise the surface too much, and therefore is going to give you 100 watts worth of power. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the video for those people that are interested. I hope that if this is something you're looking for, you're going to click my link, and thank you very much for watching.